In today's video, I'll teach you how to use coupon codes on IQ option. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the IQ option application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in this link iqoption.com/trader room. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of IQ option. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at left, you'll be able to find various options like total, portfolio, perform dashboard, etc. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for more. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find more items like promo, market analysis, tournaments, help, etc. Click on this option, promo. Now you'll be able to see all the bonuses and available promo codes over here. Simply click on the promo code that you would like to use. Now you'll be able to find the information regarding this promo code over here. Simply click on the promo code. Now it will be copied. You'll also be able to find the instruction over here. Basically, you'll be able to use the promo code when making a deposit. So click on this option, deposit. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the deposit interface. You'll be able to find various payment methods over here. You can simply click on any payment method of your choice. Now after you do that, select the currency. Click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to enter the amount that you want to deposit. Click on the field of amount and enter the amount over here. Now after you do that, over here, you'll be able to find the field for promotion. What you have to do is click on it. Now what you have to do is simply enter the promo code over here. You'll also be able to find the available promo over here. Click on the promo code that you would like to use. Now after you do that, you can see over here, the promo code will be written over here. Simply click on this option, apply, and the promo code will be applied. So that is how you use coupon code on IQ option. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.